if you're not sure which kit is for you, here's a quick breakdown. This is our Wellness Essentials kit. So if you've not been into Ayurveda and never used Ayurveda before, this is a good place to start. This Wellness Essentials kit is a preventive health kit which will consistently merge into your daily rhythm. And it helps you with your hormonal imbalances, it helps you with your energy, vitality, oral, respiratory health. You don't need to necessarily be suffering from anything. This is something that is more preventive, that can be used every day and easily integrates in life.
So, Core Essentials starts where Wellness Essentials leaves you. So, this does have preventive aspects to it, but Core Essentials primarily targets three systems: your gut health, your oral health, and your respiratory health. And especially if you have any mild suffering, then this is a good place to start, because that way you can take care of your chronic illness, at the same time also build your preventive routine. So that's what Wellness Essential Kit is for.